Hello everyone, my name is Harrison. I'm a comic book artist, a professional comic book artist. I draw comic book, I make comic book for a living, and now I'm going to be teaching you how to make art for a living. So usually this is my engine. I use Photoshop 2022. This is actually a new canvas. The canvas is usually locked. Well, I don't trust this lock, so I'm going to grab this to the trash can and make another lock. Then, never you draw on the background layer, make a new layer. You draw on the new layer. So I'm going to be drawing Damilola Adeleke. I hope this is going to be nice, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy and get this. So this is the opacity. You just B for brush, punch on B for brush. This is the opacity of the brush. It's usually 100, but I love working on a soft brush. Let me change this brush. I normally use this brush for sketching. I love using this one for sketching, and I fix this to make sure it's like a pen, having those pressure sensitivity stuff. Now let's proceed. I will be drawing Damilola Adeleke. So usually I work with a soft brush, so I can move this here, but I will just go in and just punch in the number I want. That's 30, and press and punch in enter. So now let's start. Usually I'm gonna now I'm gonna be making a facial expression like what do you mean? Now this, when you do this, make this shape, then you make this shape, this line in the middle, make another line in the middle here, horizontally and vertically, and there's going to be this ball here, this circle here, and this circle. No, not necessary. This will just happen if you are doing the front view. Just the circle here, and this line here, and this line here. These are your guidelines. It protects you from not making mistakes. Then normally do this. I normally do this. This is also another shape, but I'm going to be managing this, the size of the canvas, so I won't be doing too much. And here, doing this. Then this is for your collarbone. Your collarbone. This is your neck. Here. I'll take it here. And here. This is the shoulders. Oh no. Control Z is to go back. Take one step back is Control Z on Photoshop. And yeah. Remember, it's a guideline. Follow this guideline and everything will be okay. Trust me. Now, we have solved half of our problems. Doing this, you solve 50% of your problem. Now let's proceed. I will go to the layer, reduce the opacity of this layer. Remember, when you're reducing the opacity of this layer, you come to this place and reduce the opacity of this layer, then the opacity changes. Then unlock this layer. Remember, reducing the opacity of this layer is here, reducing of the opacity of your brush is here. But here I just punch in 30 because I love working with 30. Yeah, 30%. Now that's the strength of the brush. Now I will make another layer. I'll be zooming in. This layer is now to detail the eyes, where the eyes is supposed to be, the eyebrows and all that stuff. Now the eyebrow, I start with the eyebrow first. So I'm going to be making some expression like, that means saying, what are you saying? Like, what do you mean? So here, or saying, dude, calm down, something like that. Okay. Now the nose fall on this direction. Now, when you guys are working on, you uh, the expression, let me tell you the truth. If you can work on the eyebrows, you can conquer anything. Anything, you can rule over any kingdom. The eyebrows is the strength, are the strength when it comes to expression. Now, the eyes. I think I just do this. The eyes. And now, when the eyebrow change shapes, the eyes also change shape, because when a raised eyebrow determine your eyeball, the eye is going to be large on this direction, on this angle. Now, there's this line here. There's this line here. I'm going to be making this quick. And this line here. And here. Usually, Damilola Adeleke does not have eyeballs because he's a cyborg. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be giving him an eyeball. So when somebody is saying, "What do you mean?" Like, dude, what do you mean? And now the mouth is another key point on expression. Remember the eyebrow and the mouth. And wherever the eye changes shape, the eyebrow changes shape, the eye has to change its own shape. Now, okay. I think we already have this "what do you mean" concept. Now, let me borrow some reference from my comic book character. It's been long I actually drew that comic book character. I'm presently working on the Gold Bullet, so I just borrow some reference on the comic book character. Yeah, sorry. Here. Here, I think I have more of these here. I think I'll just go to characters. Nope. Finish work. Nope, I don't think so. Where is this guy? Views large. Okay, this is the main man. Okay, this is the main man. The main man. The main character we're actually working on. As you can see, he does not have eyeball. This guy is a cyborg and he's a no-nonsense person. So now, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be giving him eyeball. Now, the ears falls here. Nope. Yeah, the ears falls here. I think this is actually too much. Remember, this is a rough sketch, so you have to get everything in place before inking. Yep. Not kind of satisfied with this. I'm not going to erase it. Oh, sorry about that. Let me raise it into high. Yeah, Ctrl D to deselect. Oh no. So back to this direction. This direction here is where these guidelines for the air. Oh nope. Where the hairstyle is. So usually Damilola Adeleke is actually dreadlocks guy. It's actually knowing dreads. So yep, there you go. There you have it. Those are guidelines for the air. Yep, there you go. There you have it. One more here, and here it's just plain hair. Now there's a band here. I will just, the dreads come here. I usually love the thread dropping on the shoulders in this direction. So usually Damilola Adeleke has collars. As you can see, he has that collars. Dami, that name. Alright, then here, as you can see, we're almost there. We're almost there. So as a cyborg, you always have this glowing stuff. This is his core. His core. This is Damilola Adeleke's core. Once that core is ripped off, this dude is dead, but he's not gonna allow you to do that to him. Yeah, and there we have it. We are done with the rough sketch. Congratulations, we're done with the rough sketch. Now we can move to the inks. Damilola Adeleke's inks, and that is the final step for this tutorial. And as for the next tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you the digital painting with this same comic book character. Okay, reducing the opacity for this one, lock the layer, make a new layer. Now zoom in. I'm going to be increasing the strength for the brush now. Okay, remember, outer layer is supposed to be darker. The outer layer is, the outer line is usually darker than the inner line. That's where I do my stuff. It has to be thicker than the inner line. Okay, I'll reduce the size of the brush when I'm working on the inner line. Oh, I don't like this. Remember, thicker outer line. Increase the size of this brush. Like this. Now we're there. Remember, when I go back, you just have to press Control backspace. You take one step back, another Control backspace take you another step back. So that's for that. Now this and like this and this. Remember, is the outline. The outline has to be thick. I usually work on my outline first, and this is just for you beginners. For the beginners to understand. I think I like this. Now, and let's work with the inner line. I'm reducing the size of my brush. Remember, if you're doing traditional, that part you're going to that part is It's actually deal with applying forces on your board, on your pencil. So the force you apply determine the results you get. Yeah. Nope, I don't like this. This is better. I don't really like this. Ouch. Yep. Now usually Damilola Adeleke actually uses earrings. This dude is a non-nonsense dude when it comes to the comic books. Yeah. Kind of don't like the way the chin is. Let me make some adjustments. Okay. I don't know where this. I don't know where this stuff is going to. Okay. Okay. We're almost there. We are almost there. I think I don't like that arching. Just reduce the size of the brush. Remember, the eyebrows and the mouth is a powerful way to express for the expression of your comic book character. All right. Yep. Nope. I don't like this. Nope. And now And now we're almost done. But in order for me to just make this thing fast, no, okay, no, just this is a beginner's guide, so I'm going to take it slow. I'm going to take it easy for you guys. Okay. Yeah, we're almost done. Let me zoom out to see where we're headed. Alright, we're doing something nice. Okay. These are for the threads. And now the other part of the threads. Nope. And install. Gosh, don't like this. Remember, Control Z to take it backward a little bit, just one step backward. Okay, I'll zoom in. Nope. Reduce the size of this brush. Okay, this is actually a darker part of his hair. Yeah, and now I think we're good. All I have to do now is to turn off, yeah, just one more, yeah, but I think in this part I just have to just go one more. Now we're good, we are good. And what, no, not now. Yep, we are good. And all we have to do now is to turn off the layers and see our end results. Turn off the, we come here, this area, turn off the layers, the sketch layers, to see our end result. Turn this off and turn this off. I believe we made progress. Yep. So yeah, that's, there you go, there you have it. Damilola Adeleke, comic book character. This is my art style. And now follow me, not just punch on the subscribe and ring the bell icon to follow me, because I'm going to be painting these, I'm going to be giving this digital coloring on the next tutorial, so stay around. So right now I'm just going to save it. When you want to save something like this on Photoshop for your Instagram, Facebook, you come here to file, save as, well, this is actually the latest computer, the latest Photoshop, so you can save to cloud or to cloud document, or save to your computer, but I don't save to my, I save to my computer. So you tap here, it's usually on Photoshop. So here I'm going to name this Dami. Oh, sorry, Dami. Dami. And I'm going to go here and put this in JPEG, JPEG. Here, there you go. But I'm not going to be saving it here. I'm going to be saving it on my desktop, so it'll be easy for me to know, locate the file when I'm giving this a digital painting. And boom. So here, this is the quality of the file, the image you are saving. So it's low quality, high quality, medium quality, high quality, and maximum. But well, I go for maximum because when it comes to printing your books and all that stuff, maximum is the best. You don't want to do low quality when you want to print. And I pray hit OK, and we're good. Then we'll go to my walls, and you can find the image you just worked on. So that's it. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.